How to make brownie brittle salted caramel. Thin like cookies, tastes like brownies, with a smack of salted caramel in one mouth-watering treat. Prep time, 10 minutes, cook time, 25 minutes, yield, 20 to 30 bite-size pieces. Ingredients: ½ cup melted unsalted butter, 3/4 cup white sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 egg white, 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons Dutch processed cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. ½ cup salted caramel chips. Instructions. Step 1: Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2: Line your baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat and grease well with a non-stick spray. Step 3: Combine the butter, sugar, and vanilla in a large bowl. Mix until well combined. Step 4: Once the mixture is well combined, add in the egg white and mix well. Step 5: Sift all the dry ingredients and add them to the butter mixture. Mix well until the mixture becomes smooth. Step 6: Pour the batter onto the lined baking sheet and spread well using a spatula. Step 7: Bake for 15 minutes and remove it from the oven. Step 8: Sprinkle with salted caramel chips and bake for another 7 to 10 minutes. Step 9: Remove from the oven immediately and let cool. Step 10: Cut it into even pieces using a pizza cutter before it completely cools down, or break it apart using your hands once it's completely cool. Step 11: Store in an airtight container and keep in a cool, dry place. Consume within 1 week.